name is Raylan. My sister made cake, so I wanted to make banana bread, and the recipe came from laureninthekitchen.com. If you want to see how I do making banana bread, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
You ready to get testing?
Yep.
Okay.
First, I get some sugar and then I pour it in the bowl, and then some butter, and then I mix then I combine the butter and sugar together with a spatula. And then I put 2 eggs in there, and then I whisk it all together, and then I until it's combined, and then I put a couple of bananas in there, and then I smash them all up with a fork until they're done, and then I put flour and eggs in there. And then whatever that is. And then I put cinnamon in there. And then I put all the bananas, all the smashed up bananas in there. And then my mommy helps me because I accidentally dropped the bowl. And then I put vanilla in there. Then I stir it all together with a spatula. And then we put peanut butter chips in and milk. And then I stir it all together. And then I'm done. And then I smile. And then Mommy puts it in the pan. And while it's baking, we put maple syrup and butter and mix it all together, and then to put on the bread. And then I'm gonna give it a taste and see if it's love it first bite. Okay. So here's the banana bread that I made. I'm gonna try a bite and see and tell you how it tastes. There's peanut butter chips in it, and they got all melted. So I would rate this a 10 out of 10, just because of the chocolate chips, and they're so good on it, and they're really good on it. Well, the bread itself is good too, and it's really mushy and soft, and when I made it, it was really like gooey.
Was this hard to make or easy to make?
It was easy to make because my mom helped me. But
Right.
it's quick, but I was like starving to death because I was so hungry.
Okay.
Thank you, Lord Tally, for making this recipe. Thanks for watching me make banana bread. Subscribe to my mommy's channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.